It's time to open our gifts.
Okay, so... Oh, I remember. I think this is made of copper and this is used to make Turkish coffee. Hi, my name is Dr. Yasir Aqil and by qualification I'm a doctor. Sana and I, we go back to medical college and we've always built a life together. This is called Turkish Delight.
Oh,
so these are for me,
sweet.
not for you.
Gigi, I got it.
My name is Dr. Sana Yasir. I am a medical doctor, and that is where, in my medical college, I met my husband. I've been married for 16 and a half years. I want to, because I'm big on history and culture, I want to see the mosques. There's a lot of Islamic history there that I look forward to seeing.
Going to the Topkapi Palace and Hagia Sophia, the merging of religions and cultures and people and how they've been able to maintain that beautiful architecture over the years and over the centuries is just magnificent.
What I look forward to is obviously the food. I've loved donors. I want to have their kebabs.
Really looking forward to the food. I love the food there, man. Fantastic food.